Welcome to Cosmic Vibes. If you're listening right now, it means you were meant to. Here, we speak the quiet truth that the universe whispers. And tonight, something ancient is opening above you. The moon, glowing, timeless, and steady, is doing more than just lighting the night. It is unlocking a new path, a portal, a possibility. In its waxing gibbous phase, as it climbs toward fullness, it crosses invisible energetic thresholds that awaken change. And when it dances in harmony with planets like Jupiter and Venus, as it does now, a gate opens, not out there, but within you. You may have felt it already. An unexplained pull, a rush of emotion, vivid dreams or quiet signs. The universe doesn't announce breakthroughs with noise. It sends signals through energy, rhythm, and feeling. And if your inner world has been louder than usual lately, you're syncing with something cosmic. Tonight, you don't need rituals that are complex or loud. You just need presence. Step outside if you can. Look at the moon or simply sense it. Close your eyes and breathe with intention. Say softly to yourself, I allow the universe to move through me. I trust the timing. I trust the energy. I trust myself. This is more than a mantra. It's an agreement with your future self. This isn't just another night. The moon you see tonight is a mirror, not just of sunlight, but of your becoming. It reflects all the energy you've gathered over weeks, months, maybe even lifetimes. And it's preparing to return that energy back to you, magnified, transformed, clarified. The waxing gibbous moon is a moment of building, of near culmination. It doesn't just sit quietly in the sky, it pushes gently on your intuition, pulling on the tides within your body. That gentle pressure you feel to move, to decide, to act, that's lunar momentum rising within you. In astrology, a trine between the moon and benefic planets like Jupiter and Venus is rare harmony. Like the sky itself is agreeing with your dream. It's saying, we support this path. When such a trine appears during this moon phase, the veil thins. Manifestation becomes not just possible, but magnetic. What you focus on now becomes infused with cosmic gravity. The moon doesn't need your words. It feels your readiness. And when you're still, truly still, it aligns timelines on your behalf. Delays lift. Obstacles shift. Ideas surface. Support appears. And money, love, or purpose that felt far away suddenly draws near. Don't chase. Don't plead. Don't push. You are not here to beg the cosmos. You are here to receive because you've prepared. Every tear, every doubt you've overcome, every morning you chose to rise again has been seen. And now the portal opens. Think about the dreams you've been quietly tending, the ones you haven't shared, the ones you feared were too big or too far away. This is the energy window where you stop hiding from them, where you stop editing your desire into something realistic. The moon doesn't ask you to be realistic. It asks you to be energetically aligned. And right now, alignment means being brave enough to say, I believe in what I feel drawn to, even if no one else can see it yet. Your desires are not random. They are echoes of your potential. They're the version of you that already exists in another timeline, calling you closer. And this moonlight, it's a guide. It's not demanding anything from you. It's inviting you to remember who you were before doubt. Let the invitation in. Picture a silver thread connecting your heart to the moon. Each heartbeat sends a signal upward. I'm ready. Each breath says, I remember. Let the moon respond. This isn't imagination. This is ancient energy made visible through trust. Place your hand over your chest and repeat, I no longer wait. I allow. I become. And when you lie down tonight, say, everything I've asked for is already finding me. You won't need proof. You'll feel the shift. Create a space tonight, even if it's just a corner of your room, with intention. Turn off the noise. Light a candle. Write your vision down, not as a hope, but as a declaration. Start with the words, I am ready to receive what is already mine. Fold the paper and place it under something sacred to you. A crystal, a bowl of water, or your pillow. Let the moon charge it with momentum. You'll begin to notice shifts. Tiny ones at first. A message, a feeling, a burst of clarity, a forgotten opportunity returning. These are not coincidences. They are confirmations. The moon is not random. It's rhythmic, ancient, attuned to your frequency. If you allow it, so allow. And if you've found your way here to this message, then know the timing isn't just divine. It's perfect. You were meant to hear this. You were meant to realign. You were meant to rise. The moon is watching. The portal is open. And your name is already written in light. You are next, so breathe. Trust. Receive. And let the sky finish what your soul started. And when morning comes, don't be surprised if the world feels different. It's subtle at first. You may wake up lighter, more certain, more connected. Not because anything changed overnight in the outer world, but because something shifted inside you. This is how portals work. They don't slam open with noise, they unfold like soft petals in the presence of trust. So if you feel calm, don't question it. If you feel emotional, honor it. If you suddenly know what to do, act on it. This moon isn't just a moment in the sky, it's a permission slip. To want more, to become more, to stop shrinking for people who never saw your full shape. From today forward, your timeline is not the same. You may not notice it in every moment, but in 3 days, 7 days, or on the next moon, you'll look back and whisper to yourself, that night changed everything. Because your energy changed, you stopped doubting your voice. You stopped delaying your magic, and the universe noticed. This is how manifestation accelerates, not from control, but surrender. Not from proving, but trusting. You've done the quiet work. You've walked through invisible initiations. You've outgrown old doubts in silence. And now it's your season to receive. Let yourself be seen. Let the money flow. Let the right people come. Let the version of you that you buried rise. You are not behind. You are not late. You are perfectly in rhythm with the divine clockwork of the cosmos. So when you see the moon again, full, soft, or barely a sliver, remember this night. Remember this script. Remember what awakened inside you, because this wasn't just a moon phase, it was a soul phase. And it began with a whisper that said, you are next. Let the portal remain open in your heart. Let the vibration continue beyond tonight. Let every step from here remind you that you don't chase destiny. You attract it by becoming the frequency of it. You are not hoping, you are already arriving. Let it happen. Let it flow. Let it be done.